When you're making a meal in around 30 minutes for around $30, it's really good to have a well-stocked pantry. And here's some of the things that I keep in mind. Lots of dry spices. Dry spices are cheap, bang for your buck, and give you a lot of flavor from salads to desserts to protein. Lots of dry spices. For dairy, I always keep around a little bit of butter because butter makes things taste a lot better. For grains, I always keep around some rolled oats. They last forever and they add good crunch to almost anything. For sugars, I just keep 3. Brown sugar, white sugar, and honey, and that will sweeten any deal that you're making. I always keep 2 oils in my pantry. Canola oil, that's great for cooking, and then a nice olive oil is good for finishing, or if you're making a vinaigrette, it adds a lot of big flavor. For stock, vegetable stock, chicken stock, and beef stock is a great way to add a lot of flavor. When you're making a meal in around 30 minutes for around $30, go get some protein, go get some veg, have a well-stocked pantry, and you're off to the races.